Well, you know, we go on about mental health quite a lot and stress. Gardening's the answer. Rivers are the answer. Lakes, ponds, and even the sea. You can hear the breeze in the background here. And I've just been mowing. Now, mowing is something that really is very therapeutic. You can think about nothing else but whatever comes in your head. Your grass. Is the grass going in the box? Are you doing too much grass? What's it like? What's life about? What does the clouds look like? Is it raining? Is it windy? Is the sun out? All these things keep us very calm in life. Very calm indeed. And here, as I walk along the side of the river, I get the feeling of peace and quiet. Gardening is something that will help you help yourself with mental health, stress. So when you leave home in the morning and you're doing get a gardening job, you'll lose your stress completely. Equally, if you're at home and feeling stressed indoors, get out into that garden. Just snip away at some of those shrubs, deadhead a few flowers, or mow the lawn. All those things will help you with your mental health. So if you want more tips on mental health and advice, just drop me a line and I will help you to think through what you could do with your life that would help you. Get gardening, get help through relaxation, walking,